Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Mila dumplings perfectly. Start by placing a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Once the pan is warm, add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Carefully arrange your frozen Mila dumplings in a single layer, making sure there is a little space between each one. This initial setup is crucial for achieving that lovely golden brown crust. Continue cooking the dumplings over medium-high heat for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You are looking for a beautiful, golden brown crust to form on the bottom of each dumpling. This initial sear adds incredible texture and flavor. Keep a close eye on them to prevent overbrowning. A perfect sear is the first step towards a truly delicious meal. Now it is time to steam your dumplings to ensure they cook through and become wonderfully tender. Carefully pour about 1/4 of a cup of water into the pan, around the dumplings, then quickly cover it with a tight-fitting lid. The steam will cook the fillings and soften the wrappers. Let them steam for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, or until all the water has evaporated. Once the water has fully evaporated, remove the lid from your pan. If the bottoms are not as crispy as you like, continue cooking for about 1 more minute to recrisp them. Carefully transfer your perfectly cooked dumplings to a serving plate. Enjoy them right away with a delicious dipping sauce like soy sauce or a spicy chili oil. They are so delightful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.